Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maha and my channel name is Brighter Days Aviary. Obviously the whole shebang. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. It means a lot to me. If you like the video, give it a like, leave a comment, because like, why not? You know what I'm saying? So today I have a super exciting video. All my videos are exciting, so yeah, but like super exciting video today. And basically I just have a DIY bird toys under 10 bucks kind of deal going on here. And these are mostly for small to medium sized birds. I specifically made these toys for my lovebirds. So if you want to see DIY under 10 bucks bird toys, then keep on watching. So here are all my supplies. These are all like spare parts that I used from older bird toys. So I have a couple of different bases. I have like wooden beads, plastic beads, all the beads in that bag. Then I have like different types of string and stuff. And then I have a lot of wooden items and like plastic items, mostly wooden, like woven balls, like cubes, those little circles, popsicle sticks, those like spheres. So yeah, I have a ton of wooden pieces. I also have spare bells, leather, rope, all that awesome stuff, some chain links. These here are absolutely awesome. So these are the Cutco Super Shears. And if you're making bird toys or like literally doing anything in general, these are amazing. And I do sell them, so if you want some, just hit me up. I'll give you an awesome deal. Cutco Super Shears. Buy them through me. And these are just some regular links. And those are the bells. So those are all my supplies, and let's get started. So first, I'm just going to be taking everything out of the packaging. So I just have this toy base, and I'm going to be using these like leather items that have the bells at the sides of it. And I'm just going to be adding some popsicle sticks and some wooden beads. So this is an awesome toy because I still have the base intact. The base came from another toy. And what's really important to remember is you guys can literally make so many bird toys out of old bird toys. So if you guys have like bird toys that have been shredded but are not like completely shredded, even the ones that are completely 100% shredded, you can still use the wire base or like the bell base to make a new toy. And if you see right next to that toy, there's a green base and like a yellow base. That was like part of a bird toy, and they chewed up everything except the base. So instead of throwing it away, I just saved it to make another bird toy out of it. So this is what I have so far. I'm just going to be adding just a few more pieces of popsicle sticks. They absolutely love popsicle sticks. They love shredding it. And I'm going to be attaching it to the side of this bird toy, and I'm just going to be knotting it. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to be taking another leather, like piece of leather rope with the bell attached. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, but instead of just adding popsicles, I'm going to add a couple of different items like woven balls and different pieces of, I'm also going to be adding popsicles, but like I'm going to be adding woven balls and different pieces of wood. that is what it looks like, and I'm just going to be putting it through the toy, and I'm also going to be knotting it as well. So that is the finished look. It looks pretty awesome, very colorful. So this is the next toy I'm going to be working on, and I just have a regular wire base with a bell attached, and this came from another bird toy, but I decided to save it and just to make a bird toy out of it. So I'm just going to be adding beads and popsicle sticks and pieces of wood. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to take these awesome Cutco Super Shears, and I'm just going to mold the end so I can like stick the hook in it. And I am just going to stick one of those little metal links, and that is the second bird toy. So for the third bird toy, I'm just going to take that green base from like one of the previous toys that they shredded. And I'm going to be using the leather, the small leather like pieces of rope, and I'm going to be putting it through the bottom, and I'm going to be adding popsicle sticks and wooden pieces, just stuff that they can shred and have a ton of fun like shredding it. So then I'm just going to be knotting it, and that is what it looks like. So then there are like 3 more holes that I can add rope and do the bird toys out of, or like add more stuff to the bird toys. So next I'm just going to be using more rope, but I'm just going to be adding more like wood like stuff, so like beads, popsicle sticks, etc. And in the middle portion is when I'm actually going to be adding the some like plastic links that they can play with and stuff like that. So all of these are literally under 10 bucks. The only thing I purchased is those popsicle sticks and those kind of like wooden things, those like wooden circles, and the popsicle sticks were 4 bucks and the wooden circles were like $3. Everything else I had from other bird toys, so I literally did not have to spend money on anything else. So in my video, I filmed myself making 3 toys, and I'm going to show you guys those toys right now. I, of course, made more toys that I didn't film, but I just want to show you all the toys that I made, like, pretty much from scratch. So this is the first toy that you guys saw that I made. I just kept this base right here along with this. So this base I kept. I did not change it. These are the sides. The one with the sides is the one that I changed. So I just added popsicle sticks. There's bells at the bottom. More popsicle sticks, like some wooden balls or woven balls. So yeah, this is the first bird toy that I made. So the next one that I made that I showed you guys is this one right here. And it has, I kept the base. And I'll like show you clips of the original bird toy. But the thing about me is that I literally never throw out old bird toys. I just reuse them if they're not like completely and utterly destroyed. So here, this is the base. This green thing right here is the base. I literally just used this and I attached every single thing here. So then there's like popsicle sticks. There's these items right here that actually came from this toy that I'll put up on the screen. There's this that actually came from this toy that they did not completely shred. So literally you can make so much out of old bird toys. So the next toy that I made is this one right here. So it's just a normal regular toy with a bell at the bottom, and I just added like beads and popsicle sticks and these little kind of like wafers you got going on here. So yeah, this is the third one. So this one I'm actually really excited for, and it sucks that I didn't put it in the video, me making it, but this is the fourth one that I made. And literally, I only used this base, this yellow base right here. I only used this from a previous toy. So like this with the chain and the hook and the bell down here. There's a bell that attaches to the base. I used that, but I literally attached everything else. So they have these balls at the bottom. They have these bells. They have these like the shreddy thing that I bought as well, that I just cut into pieces and I like put it in. You know, the balls, the popsicle sticks. So yeah, literally. And then I put some plastic pieces right here just for them to play with. So yeah, this is pretty big. This is the biggest toy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm like pretty excited for this toy. So we have this toy right here. This is actually a pretty interesting one. This is like a mat, kind of like a woven mat. And I just attached the string, and I just attached like chains and like all this awesome stuff. So this woven mat, I got it from this toy that you see on the screen. And they did not chew it. They literally chewed everything else except the woven mat. So I just took it apart. I took it out of the chain, and I just put it as its own mat and just attached stuff to it. And I have these like little hooks right here. I have 4 hooks that I can attach to the cage, so it's going to be sitting like this beside the cage, and they can just like play with it and shred it and all that awesome stuff. So this is a pretty awesome toy right here. So the next toy that I made for them is this one right here. And it's just another regular wood toy with a bunch of like wood chewing options. So there's a bell at the bottom, a woven ball, popsicle sticks, these little like circle wafers, this like woven material. So yeah, pretty awesome. So this is another one. And the next one is I just have like I made a regular popsicle stick toy. It has a bell at the bottom with some beads and just popsicle sticks. So yeah, I made 5. And I'm sure they will all really love these. So I'm super excited to put that in their cages. And last but not least, this is the last toy that I made for them. It is this one right here. So it has a bell at the bottom, it has a lot of woven balls, kind of like loofah, like all this awesome stuff, but they can just chew it. And if I wanted, I can put like sunflower seeds in the woven balls so they can forage it. But yeah, all this awesome stuff. This is the last toy that I made for them. And those are all the toys that I made for them. And of course, if you guys like this video and you want more like DIY toy making ideas, then you can definitely let me know in the comments below, or let me know by giving me a like. That really helps me out. So thank you guys so much. They're so loud. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.